In this video, I will show you how to resize frame with content in Figma. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open your design in Figma, and then as you can see, if we select here this frame, as you can see, we can resize it like this, but as you can see, it doesn't look good. So what you're gonna have to do is simply make sure that you group all the content, as you can see here, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on this arrow, the move tools here, and then simply select scale. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply increase the scale, as you can see, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.